TU Delft Hydromotion team, and today we're revealing our liquid hydrogen-powered foiling boat for the first time.
Today was a very special day because this was the first chance that we got to show all of our hard work that we put into the boat and finally show the boat to the world.
From all corners of our departments, we brought together our knowledge to build Mira.
I think this project and team is so special because of the people. Everybody is so highly motivated and talented.
It's important to collaborate, also to give students knowledge about how to use hydrogen as a fuel, which, and it was mentioned in the presentation, the fuel for the future.
I think it's very relevant to try and demonstrate new technologies. This way it really gets the ball rolling to inspire the whole industry that something like this is possible.
Now that the boat is fully assembled, I feel incredibly proud of our team, of what we've achieved so far.
And our first impression of the boat is a beautiful boat. It's clearly carefully crafted and it makes a really good first impression.
Hydrogen can replace a lot of current fuels. This is a very good basis for them to work that way with liquid hydrogen.
Yeah, I think it's mainly relevant for the industry to get such a new perspective on existing ideas and also to get such an influx of enthusiastic and passionate engineers.
Yeah, after the event we had a lot of positive reactions and remarks and also especially a lot of interest in the technical aspects in the boat. And this really motivated us to show what could be possible for the future of the maritime industry.
Watch what these guys are doing. It's really inspiring and I hope the industry as a whole can collaborate more for projects like this.
What started as a vision became a vessel. One that carries not only hydrogen, but a message to the world. Change is possible, and this is how we fuel the future.